we've done pretty good so far this week. Everything's going real well on St. Matt. I believe we're going to make pretty good with all this new diesel laptop stuff. This tractor over here, see, with this new system, we can hook up anything on any of this equipment, whatever we got, wherever we want to. Doesn't matter what it is. If it's, as long as it's diesel, if it's a diesel engine, we can plug it up now. Good deal. Sure can. It's really cool. Oh, and hey, look here. Guys, here at Jacob's Garage, we not only do your towing, we now have diesel laptops. We can come out and hook up your diesel. Doesn't matter if it's from a pickup truck, semi trucks, box trucks, heavy equipment, dozers, farm equipment. If it's diesel, we can take care of it for you. Towing, heavy, light duty, medium duty, 24-hour mobile roadside, whatever your need may be, call us here at Jacob's Garage, Castlewood, Virginia, 276-202-9151 or 276-248-1088. Look us up on Facebook, Jacob's Garage, YouTube, Jacob's Garage, and 24-hour towing. Hey, give us a call. You never know what we can do to help.